Company.
So please read one more time.
Company.
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 Okay. So a company is an organization that sells goods or services in order to make money. Okay? Or we call them as business commercial. Okay. So what's the name of your company?
My company name is Biz English Center.
Right, that's great. So how many companies or how many Biz English companies are there in your country?
There are one company.
Okay, so there is one.
Yes, there is one.
Okay. There is one Biz English company in my country.
Yes.
All right, that's good. So, yeah, again, a company is an organization that sells goods or services, okay, in order to make money, or it is also a commercial businesses. Okay. Next,
Yes.
okay, please look at picture two. What can you see there?
I can see a lot of people. I think they are colleague.
Yeah, so there's people, okay, on the picture. So we call them as colleague or co-worker.
Yes.
Okay, can you read the two words again?
Co-worker. Colleague.
Yeah, colleague, co-worker.
Yes.
Okay. So a co-worker or a colleague, okay, these words are similar. All right. So they are the person you work for with the same profession as you do, or they are the people you work for in the same company. All right. So we call them as co-worker or colleague.
Yes.
So who is your closest colleague, co-worker in your company?
Mm, my coworker in my company are very funny and kind.
Right. She is funny and kind.
Yes.
All right. So that means she is also your closest colleagues in the company.
Yeah.
All right. And how many coworkers do you have in your department?
About 10 coworkers.
Okay, so you can say we are composed or we are consist of 10 coworkers in my department.
Yes. The consist uh
Of
10
department,
cons-
co-workers in my department.
10 coworker in my department.
Okay. Or we can also say there are 10 people or co-workers in my department. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you for sharing that. Now let's proceed on page 5, Hannah. Okay. So the first picture, let's read boss.
Bus.
Okay. One more time, please.
Bus.
All right. Perfect. So a boss is a person who is in charge of a group or who is in charge of a worker or organization. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many boss do you have in your company?
Mm, I have one bus.
All right. So I have one boss. That's correct. And do you get along with your boss in terms of work?
Mm, yes.
Is your boss helpful?
Yes, my boss is helpful and humorous person.
Wow, that's nice. You know, a humorous person can make the workplace feel comfortable, right?
Yes,
Okay, that's great. So that is boss. Again, it's a person who is in charge of the workers or a group or organizations. Okay. Now, please look at picture two. All right. So these are the customers. Customer.
customer,
Okay. Can you please say it again?
customer,
Yeah, customer. Okay.
customer.
That's great. So a customer is a person or organization that buys, okay? They buy the goods and services of a company, okay? Now,
Yes.
all right. Do you know how many customers does your company have?
I have a lot of customer.
All right, that's great. Who is your biggest customer?
Mm, biggest.
Yeah,
The biggest.
your major customer.
Mm,
Okay, our
the biggest customer is the kids.
Okay, so they are your major or biggest customer. Okay, that's
Yes.
great. Yeah, so we have customers from our country, local. We also have customers in the global. Okay, so we say overseas customer. Okay,
Yes.
local, yeah, local customers, overseas customers.
Yes.
Thank you, Hannah. So that is customer. Okay, next, let's proceed on page six. Okay,
Salary.
very good. Salary, salary, salary.
Salary. Yeah.
Okay. So you know what's a salary?
Yes.
Do you have an idea?
Mm, salary is stable income. Is income.
That's right. It's an income or it's a money paid for a regular work or services that you do. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So you will get a salary or income for the regular work that you do. Okay. Are you excited every time you receive your salary?
Yes, because I think I have a stable income.
That is right. And can you remember a time when you first received you first received your salary? What did you do with it?
Mm,
What did you buy with your first
mm,
salary?
I buy a motorbike.
Wow, that's nice. Motorbike.
Yes.
Yeah, it's helpful, right? Like we can use the motorbike when we go to work or anywhere.
Yes. Yes.
Good thing that we know how to ride a motorbike. Okay, so that's salary. It's a money paid for a regular job that we do. Okay,
Yes.
so let's look at the first picture. What do you think is the picture telling us?
Mm, I can see a girl. She is working at home.
That's right. Okay, so he has a meeting online. Okay, she has.
Yes.
Okay, so we call this as work from home.
Work from home.
Yes, that's right. So a work from home It is you like you're performing your job or your duties in your own home. Okay? So you bring your job at home. Okay, so you have an online meeting as well. So that is work from home. Okay. How about you, Hannah? Do you work from home currently?
Mm, yes, sometime on rainy day, I work from home.
Okay, that's right. It's so nice to, it's rainy day. It feels comfortable inside the house, right? And
Yes.
yes, do you prefer to work from home or work in the office?
Mm, I prefer work from home.
Yes, work from home is good. I mean to say we can
Yes.
use our time as well, right? Less effort
Uh,
to
I
commute.
think it's flexible.
That is true. It's flexible. Okay. So nowadays, we are introduced with hybrid working style. Okay, so one is work from home, the other is work on site or in the office. Okay, thank you so much, Hannah. So let's proceed. Page 7. Okay. So now we learn the phrases. Okay, the first we learn work from home. We call them as phrases. Okay. Next we have flexible working time. Okay, kindly read.
Flexible working time.
Okay, flexible working time.
Yes, flexible working time.
All right. So this is a time or working time which is very convenient. Okay, for the employee, for you. Okay, so you have a flexible working time. All right. So, does your company offers a flexible working time?
Yes, my company has flexible working time.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so flexible working time is also, one way for the employees to be motivated. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Next, picture. Let's read working environment.
Working environment.
All right. So working environment. This is a place where you work in, and this is the environment where people are working together. Okay. So
Yes.
let's say for example in a company. Okay. Now, how's the working environment in your office?
The working environment in my office is quite professional.
That's nice. Okay. So professional and also yeah, okay. What kind of working environment do you prefer, Hannah?
Mm, I don't know. Teacher.
Okay, so yeah, we can work with professional environment. We also have this what do you call this one? Healthy working environment. Okay, where people are treating each other just like friends. Okay, and so on. All right, thank you so much, Hannah. Now let's proceed on page 8. Okay, so another phrases, let's read. Get a promotion.
Get a promotion.
Yes, or get promoted.
Get promoted.
Okay. So this is get a promotion or get promoted. It means to say being raised to a higher rank or position in your company. Okay?
Yeah.
So,
Um.
yes.
I always try every day to be able to get a promotion in the
Wow.
future.
That's a good goal, right? Okay, so what kind of promotion do you want to get in the future?
Mm, I want to. I want to do a manager.
Manager. Okay. You can say,
Yes.
I want, all right. That's a great one. So you can say, I want to get promoted to a manager.
Yes, I want to get promoted to
To a
to
manager.
to a manager. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Or you're
Thank you.
welcome. You're welcome. Okay, yeah, that is promotion. So you will be raised to a higher rank or position. Okay, next, second picture. This is responsibility.
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 Okay. So responsibility means something that you are expected to do. Okay. So you're
Yeah.
expected to do this, to do that, because it's your responsibility. Okay. So Hannah, please tell me, what is your work responsibility?
Mm, I'm responsible for managing classes so that classes uh, operate normally.
All right. So I am responsible for managing the classes to operate normally. Okay.
Yes.
That's good. So that is responsibility. Next, let's continue with,
Sure. Sure.
oh,
Sure.
yes.
Yes, I think we can stop the demo class today.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so
Yes,
much. We're almost time.
I really excited and happy when you support me.
Oh, that's my job. Thank you for your compliment, Hannah. And I hope you learn a thing or two from this lesson.
Yes, thank you, teachers. See you soon.
You're welcome.
Yes,
See you soon. Bye for now,
yes.
Hannah.
Have a nice day.
Likewise. Goodbye.
Yes.